Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn Excel's max function, and as this is the 7th video in our Excel lookup function training series, we are going to use some of our other lookup functions that we learned in the previous training videos. Now let's get started. What is the max function? The max function looks up within an array or table that you select, and it finds the value that is the largest value in that table. So for this, what we want to example, we're going to look through this cookie company sales chart, and we're going to try and find which state had the highest revenue. And so we're going to start actually with the max function, and we type =max, and Excel starts to help us out and fills that automatically. And then what we're going to do is, once we get to this part, we're going to click and hold down the mouse button and then drag until we get to the end of the list, the last state, and then now we selected our array and hit enter. And you can see, looking at the formula, the max, and it's looked through the array and it's brought back the highest value that's there. Now, in order to find the state using the highest revenue, we're going to need to find out where within this array that state is located. And so what we're going to use, we're actually going to use our match function that we just learned in the last video, =match, and we're going to match, let me try that one more time, =match. Our lookup value is going to be the revenue, and the lookup array is going to be, again, our annual revenue column. And we do want an exact match because we don't want it to find something that's close to it or greater than and go to a different number. We want to find the exact number. So we click exact match and enter. And we know that it's the 37th state on the list is going to be the one with this revenue. But we don't have the numbers, these states numbered. So we actually have to add that to this chart in order to find which state it is. And I'm going to do that in an easy way by hitting 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to select the numbers. And if you just click on this corner and drag down, you see it's already filled in all the numbers for me. And all I had to do was do 1, 2, 3 and then select the ones and drag it down. So that's very helpful. So now I have a column that's numbered. So I can look for that if I use my VLOOKUP function, my vertical lookup. So we're going to do that for state. So equals VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value that I want to look up, now that I have it numbered, I can look up this value, the 37th state. And if you remember, for VLOOKUP, what VLOOKUP does is it goes down the column and then it looks to the right and it tries and finds down the first column, looks through the right and tries and find which column within the array is the one you've given it. And so we're going to select for our table array the entire table, including the numbers we've just given it. And now for the column index number, we know that this is the first column and this is the second column, and we want the state. And that's going to be the second column. And do we want an approximate or an exact? We actually want the exact match. And so enter. And so now we know that Oregon is the state that had the highest revenue for our cookie company. And that concludes our max function training video. And if you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.